Bonjour et bienvenue à Speak French with Confidence. That is, hello and welcome to my channel Speak French with Confidence. Well, in the last video, we studied about 10 basic greetings of French which are used when we are politely greeting somebody, as in a hi, hello, or a bye. Well, as I said, that in the upcoming parts, that is this part, last part, I will be telling you about a few more greetings. So, before beginning, I'd just like to say that if you're new to my channel, this is me, Ahana, and here on this channel, I teach you French while I learn it. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let's begin. So, first of all, we'll be studying about les salutations. That is part 2 of the greetings. Now, first of all, answer one question. Do you want to conversate more than to just greet? As in, do you want to say more things rather than just to say hi, hello, or bye? Like, you want to say thank you and all? Well, if yes, then keep watching the video to get some awesome benefits. Let's begin. Français column represents French words. Anglais column represents their meanings. Now let's begin. So here the word merci. It's merci. It's merci. So merci means thank you. Merci. Thank you. Second, désolé. Désolé. Now this is pronounced as lé. Lé. Désolé. It means sorry. When I by mistake, for example, I by mistake stepped on somebody's, I can say maybe foot, I'd say sorry in English. But when we are speaking French, I'd say désolé. Next, de rien. De rien. It means never mind, mention not. So it's basically used after we say thank you. That, for example, a friend of mine helped me get some homework. Now, I'd say thank you to the friend, but the friend would, if the friend is a good friend of mine, then he or she would say never mind or mention not. So these two words in French are known as de rien. Next, bonne journée. Bonne journée means have a good day. Bonne journée, have a good day. This is usually done while saying goodbye. Bonsoir, have a good evening. Again, while saying goodbye, let's pronounce it again. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Bonjourne, bonsoir. They both are different. Next, enchanté. 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 This E is not pronounced. Just this E is pronounced since it has an accent on it. So, enchanté. It means nice to meet you. Bon matinée. Bon matinée. This is a rather rarely used phrase, but of course it's a very polite way of saying goodbye, or rather we could say that it is adding on one more phrase to the greetings. So we say bon matinée, meaning have a good morning. Have a good morning is usually not said while we are conversating in English, but while conversating in French, we do say have a good morning. Next, excusez-moi. Now in excusez-moi, we put a hyphen in between, since we've inverted it. The verb first and then the pronoun. So it's excusez-moi. It means excuse me. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Now for the last one, merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Well, we used merci in the first. Then why would I tell you about merci beaucoup? Merci and merci beaucoup both are the ways of saying thank you. But merci means thank you, while merci beaucoup means thank you so much. So it may depend on the situation where you're using thank you. You could say merci while somebody gives you a pen, maybe. Like I give you this pen and you say thank you. But it could be that if I really wanted this pen and somebody gives it to me, I could say thank you so much. So it's the same case as in French. Now let's repeat them once again. Merci, thank you. Désolé, sorry. De rien, never mind, mention not. Bonjour, have a good day. Bonsoir, have a good evening. Enchanté, nice to meet you. Bon matin, have a good morning. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Merci beaucoup, thank you so much. I hope you all understood. Now that you all know about these 9 and the other 10 greetings I taught that day, let's flip on to that page and again revise them together. So, part 1. Bonjour, hello, good morning. Salut, hi, bye. Bonsoir, good evening. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. Au revoir, goodbye. A bientôt, see you soon. A demain, see you tomorrow. A tout à l'heure, see you very soon. Bonne nuit, good night. Bienvenue, welcome. Merci, thank you. Désolé, sorry. De rien, never mind, mention not. Bonjour, have a good day. Bonsoir, have a good evening. Enchanté, nice to meet you. Bon matin, have a good morning. Excusez-moi, excuse me. And the last, merci beaucoup, thank you so much. Now that you all know these 19 basic greetings of French, do not forget to use them in the comment section below and write something nice. This is the homework for you all for today. For the next video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, like, share and comment this video. I have also made a WhatsApp channel, so don't forget to follow that too. The link is in the description box. Bye, au revoir, merci, thank you.